Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. If you haven't seen any of my past videos, my name is Alyssa Arriaga. I'm a GEARUP tutor, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about energy in metabolism. So let's go ahead and get started. So maybe you've heard the term metabolism in the forms of someone having a slow metabolism, meaning that they barely eat anything yet still gain weight. Or maybe you've met someone who may have a fast metabolism, meaning they can eat large portions of food, including junk food, and don't gain weight at all. Although metabolism does play an important part when it comes to weight, it actually is a lot more complex than that, and you'll see later in this video what this all means. But first, let's talk about what metabolism is. Now, it can be defined as the series of chemical reactions that takes place inside the cell of living organisms. So, in a more simpler terms, it's basically the process to create and break down energy necessary for your body to function properly. So think of it in terms of doing certain activities that you guys like. So maybe it can be involved in sports, like you playing basketball, volleyball, football, whatever the sport may be. Or maybe you're lifting weights, riding a bike, swimming. All these different types of activities your body needs energy for. Another way to think about metabolism is to view your body as a car engine that is always running. When you're sitting or sleeping, your body's engine is idle like a car at a stoplight. You're at rest, essentially, but a certain amount of energy is being burned just to keep the engine running. Now, of course, for humans, the fuel source is not gasoline, obviously, but it's the sugar, which are the carbohydrates, the fats, and proteins found in foods we eat or the beverages we drink that gives us the energy we need. As I said earlier, metabolism can be a very complex concept to learn. So looking at this map, it may look like a mess of lines that look like a map to a large subway system. What it really is, though, is it's showing the core metabolic pathways in a eukaryotic cell, which are the cells that make up the human body. Now, these lines that you see are actually the chemical reactions running through your body, and each dot represents the reactant or the product of those chemical reactions. The last thing I would like to talk about are the two kinds of activities going on at the same time involving metabolism. So the first one is known as catabolism, which is also destructive metabolism, and the reason why is because it's the breaking down of large molecules, like this one as you can see in the picture, into smaller molecules to get more fuel, which is the energy for our body. The second one is called anabolism, and that is called constructive metabolism for the reason being that it's taking small molecules and using energy to build up large molecules, like for building body tissue and supporting the growth of new cells. What it does is it also stores energy for later use. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up my video. I hope you guys learned something new, and until next time, thank you guys for watching.